Doctor, can you give us the warning signs which we might have to understand about the endometriosis?
So the earliest warning signs that you might have endometriosis could be, one and most important, is painful periods. If your pain has increased comparative to before, then yes, that is a warning sign. Second, during periods, if you're having loose motions also, that is another warning sign. Or if you're having painful motion, or if you're having painful urination, depending on where this endometriosis is growing, all of these can be alarming symptoms. So these should not be ignored. These are the earliest signs usually. Another most commonly ignored symptom is painful intercourse. So during the act of sexual intercourse, if there is deep pain, not superficial pain at the entry, if there is a deep pain deep down your tummy during the act of intercourse, then yes, this is also a very important symptom that can indicate that you might have endometriosis.